In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Shopee insurance claim. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your insurance options in the app and how to start a claim or redemption smoothly. Begin by opening the Shopee app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to the internet and logged in to the correct account that you used for the purchase tied to your insurance. If your app looks different from what you expect, it may help to update to the latest version, as layouts can vary by region and app updates. Once the app is open, head to the lower right corner of your screen and tap Me. This takes you to your personal hub, where your orders, settings, and financial tools live. If you have multiple profiles or addresses, just make sure everything is set up correctly here so your policy details will match your account. Inside the Me section, look for the Financial Services area and tap See More. This is where Shopee puts its money-related features, including payment options, pay later services, and insurance. Tapping. See More expands the list so you can access the insurance dashboard without hunting around elsewhere. Next, scroll down until you find the insurances section. Take a moment to browse what's available. You'll typically see insurance products you've purchased as well as options you can explore. If you're here to claim, you're looking for the specific policy linked to your order or coverage. When you find the relevant policy, tap it. In this walkthrough, it appears as sample insurance to redeem, but on your device, you should tap the policy that matches your purchase or coverage type. Opening it will show you the policy details, coverage period, and any notes on eligibility or required documents. It's a good idea to review that information now so you know what to expect. From there, tap Redeem Now. This is the action that starts your claim or redemption process. Depending on the insurer and policy type, the app may prompt you for additional information, proof of purchase, photos, or supporting documents. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and double-check that your claim falls within the allowed time frame specified in the policy. If anything doesn't load, try refreshing the page or returning to the Me tab and reopening the policy. That's it. You've navigated to the insurance area, found the correct policy, and initiated the claim or redemption. Keep an eye on in-app notifications or your email for updates from the insurer, and save any reference numbers the app provides for tracking. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you complete your Shopee insurance claim with confidence.